Hi friends, welcome once again everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Okay, today we are going to see once again live trading video on today's date, that is on 23rd April. Friends, many of you have been wondering and many of you have been finding it very difficult to trade the equity call strategy. That is why I am recording the live trading video. It is very simple. You don't have to break too much of your head. It's easy and you just need 2 minutes of your time. You don't have to look into the chart full time. So if you want to know how to place the order, how to make it simple within 2 minutes and make good money out of 2 minutes, then stay tuned till the end of the video to see how I did trading today on 23rd April in ICICI Bank. So this is basically done for people who have taken my equity strategies or who are taking my equity calls to give them a booster, to give them how to place the trade. It's just like a demo call, you can, or demo video you can say. Okay, so let us go to the video. Before that, people who are watching my video for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. It has got a lot of videos on equities as well as commodities available both in Hindi as well as English. So if you want to know more strategies, if you want any help from me, any guidance from me, you can always WhatsApp me on my number 8095876525. Okay, so let us go to today's video which I had recorded. Yeah, so today we had done ICICI Bank. So quickly let me, this is how I gave the calls to everybody. Add ICICI Bank futures so that everybody can add. So before I place my trade, I am sending it to others so that they can also add. And I am taking the breakout. Always trade on the breakout. Okay, so sell at 276.50. Don't place market order, place always stop loss limit order. So target and stop loss will be 0.6. So let me place for myself. So I'll sell it at 276.50. So you'll be having sufficient time for placing the order. This is what you have to do. That's it, and then you have placed your order. Now we'll see what will happen after the order gets executed. Yeah. Okay, so once the order gets executed, you can see that the two orders are pending. Okay, you can see that one is in trigger and another is in open. So once our open price is already triggered, stop loss and the target both are automatically triggered. You can see that one line became 3 line items. So this is the beauty of OC order. You don't have to do anything automatically. You can just close your mobile and then you can carry on with your work. It does all the work in the background. It can you can almost call it as a semi-algo trading. Okay. So two orders are been open. So let us see how it is going. So you can see that ICICI Bank is coming down. Yeah. So our target is, our entry is already triggered, as you have seen. It is coming down. You don't have to watch the screen always, but now that I had a few minutes of time, I'm recording the entire video. So as you all know, I have kept 0.3% as my target, so it will be easily achieved. So my target is 275.70, which has to reach. So let's just wait. It has to hit in another 1 or 2 minutes. So as you've already seen, my equity calls are all having accuracy of our target is hit. Yeah. So let me just quickly go to the order. Yes, you can see the stop loss is cancelled and target is hit. And you can see the profit here. 1650 profit is achieved. So this is the beauty of this equity strategy, friends. You don't have to worry too much. It's very easy, very beautiful. As you all know, 0.3%, if you are in the right direction, it's not all a problem. You can easily achieve the target. This is the reason I'm telling you it's very useful for working professionals. You have to just place the order and then just close the system. You don't have to look into the computer or into the mobile again and again. So in case if you want to use this strategy, or if you want to take my calls, you can just WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. Or if you want to join Upstock and make use of this semi-algo trading, available also in Zerodha also, you can use the link which I provided in the description of this video. There are two links, one on Zerodha and one on Upstock. Upstock has got both for commodities as well as equities, and both the brokerages, everything are same. Both are good brokers. So if you want to make use of them, make use of this facility, you can join with that link. And if you are using my reference, then you will get 50% discount with my daily tips which I am providing. These tips are only for people who want guidance, who are able to trade yourself with the strategies. You can continue, but in case if you want guidance from me to send WhatsApp, then you can avail the services with 50% discount. Okay friends, any more doubts, just WhatsApp me 8095876525. So once again, I'm repeating the same thing. Today's profit is done. So let us enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day.